Hello everyone. Let's dive into the RUYAGE RY98, a long-range 4G network radio that's making waves in the world of push-to-talk communication. This device aims to bridge the gap between traditional walkie-talkies and modern cellular technology, offering extended range and enhanced features. The RUYAGE RY98 is designed to work with push-to-talk applications, enabling both private and group calls. This functionality allows users to create groups and communicate with multiple members simultaneously, boosting communication efficiency. The compatibility with the ZL platform is a significant advantage, supporting both private and group calls. Users can easily connect with individuals or entire teams, making it ideal for coordinating large groups. Powering the device is a 4,000 mAh battery, which provides a decent battery life. The manufacturer claims it can last for 4 to 7 days with standard use and 3 to 4 days with continuous use. The inclusion of a fast USB charging function is a welcome addition, ensuring that the radio can be quickly recharged when needed. One of the standout features of the RUYAGE RY98 is its long-range capability. As a 4G Android walkie-talkie, it supports micro SIM cards and offers unlimited conversation range, provided there is network coverage. This makes it suitable for use across vast distances, potentially spanning the entire country. However, there are some caveats to consider. The device's compatibility with SIM cards may vary depending on the region. In some areas, it may not work with SIM cards and may only be able to connect to Wi-Fi. In such cases, users can utilize their phone's hotspot feature to establish a connection. This limitation is important to keep in mind, as it may affect the device's usability in certain areas. In terms of design, the RUYAGE RY98 sports a black finish and a familiar walkie-talkie form factor. It features a dedicated PTT, push-to-talk, button for quick and easy communication. The device also includes a desktop charger for convenient charging. Overall, the RUYAGE RY98 offers a compelling solution for long-range communication, combining the simplicity of a walkie-talkie with the extended range of a 4G network. While the SIM card compatibility issue is a potential drawback, the device's push-to-talk functionality, group call support, and long battery life make it a worthwhile option for those seeking a reliable and versatile communication tool.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.